Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena. Please excuse the difference in lighting. My lighting tripod is broken and I'm just a mess today, but I'm filming anyways. I'm also feeling this very comfy cord I have on. I am doing the Are You a Pure and Gothic Lolita quiz. I believe I've done it before for this channel, but I haven't done it in a while, and I am kind of rebooting doing on my blog the 365 day lifestyle Lolita challenge, which has been fun and kind of an insightful experience. It was originally by Lace a la Mode. Sadly, her blog got deactivated a while back. I miss my favorite Lolita bloggers. They all just like deleted their blogs. It's sad. So without further ado, I'm gonna start going through this quiz. Alrighty. Number 1. Do you want to become a doll or a robot? Do you like artificial things? I actually kind of feel like I'm already there. My blood is not red. I think it's pink or blue. If not, I don't even know if I have any. I feel like spiritually my blood is pink, but it is unfortunately red. You hate slobby clothes. You like clothes that cinch your body tightly. Yes, I feel so bad in like baggy clothes, but I also want to be comfortable recently. It's been a struggle, guys. It's not just in your clothing, but in your life. You like to have rules or constrictions or prefer living conventionally. This one's weird because it's kind of like a yes/no thing, but for me personally, I really like routines, but I do not live in a conventional manner. This translation's a little odd to me because I don't know any Lolita who lives a life that I could describe as conventional. You don't like clothes that show off too much skin, even in the summer. You don't like to show off your skin. This is weird because I've been recently getting into Gyayu, and I really like it, but it's kind of uncomfy for me, especially because due to my body type, my whole life I've been told to like cover up more. Ooh. That one's tough. Okay. No, I like short skirts and short shorts in the summer. Okay, it says, however, you like to wear a corset to make your bust appear bigger and prettier. Yeah, well, there's no avoiding my bust, so yes. When you see someone dressed in Gothic or Lolita fashion, you think, aha, that's it. Yes, absolutely. I love people in alternative stuff. Until you found out about Gothic and Lolita fashion, you didn't care about what you wore or didn't have any clothes that you really wanted to wear. That is actually true for me. It is actually true. I was a very tomboyish, but I just kind of wore whatever my parents gave me, and then I found Lolita fashion, and that was it. You don't have many friends, or you don't have any. That's so sad. It's fun to have friends, but you're fine without them. No, I really like my friends. I'm very attached to my friends. The person you like most is yourself. Yes, actually. I do like myself a lot. I don't think in a selfish way, but it took a long time to get some self-esteem. So, yes. If you fell in love with a guy, you would never ever change what you wear or your hobbies for him. Before that, you'd have to toss him. Okay. Now, yes, and I have to tell you, historically when I was younger, I used to kind of change myself to try to impress my partners, which did not end well. And I now once I made the decision, no, I'm just gonna be me, I met my now fiance like 4 years ago, and yeah, no, I changed nothing about myself for him. Yeah, no, if the person asks you to change anything you find super fundamental about yourself, throw them out, as I've said. I have very strong feelings about this. When you wear clothes that are not Gothic or Lolita, you feel lousy. Yes, this is true. Other J fashions I can wear and still feel good in, but like, unless it's alternative fashion, I don't want it. You want a castle in Europe. Is there anyone who doesn't want a castle? You can recall the names of 5 castles in Europe. Oh no. Buckingham Palace, Versailles. Yeah, that's it. Oh no. That's it. Alright, you want to live... Ooh! I had a timer because Lace Market was being a pain earlier, and it like glitched, and it made things on my watch list that had already expired look like they were there, and there was a lot of Taobao socks that I really wanted, but it was already gone, but it looked like it was still there. It was such a cruel joke. Alright, you want to live in a country like Germany, France, England, or Italy? I'd like to visit there, but I don't think I'd like to live there. You study German, French, Esperanto, or Italian? Okay, French, actually. I got a minor in French in college. By far you prefer being photographed to taking photos. I'm usually photographing myself. Where does that put that? I don't know what category that would fall under. You also like to collect photos of pretty people. I do. I love looking at people I find really pretty, and I find such a wide range of people pretty. Like, so many people are pretty in so many different ways. Oh god, I follow way too many people on Instagram. To you, the most special flower is most definitely the rose. Yes, I'm stereotypical. Roses are my favorite. You own more than 3 things that are rose scented. Soap, rose water, etc. No, but I would like to. If possible, you'd love to be a person who exists eating nothing but rose petals. No, I like food, guys. I like food so much. My fiance's nickname for me is his, like, medieval princess. Like, gosh, I am not a neat person. And I love food. No, I would need more than rose petals. Even if I could physically only live on rose petals, I would still eat everything else. In a past life, you lived in Europe, or at least you'd like to think that. I think it's fairly possible. When you see pictures of scenery of Europe on TV or in magazine, your chest hurts and you start to cry. No, I'm not that emotional about it. Maybe about anime, but no, Europe's pretty good for me. When you're in trouble, if you see someone in more trouble than you, you forget yourself and help them. You want to live by chivalry or noblesse oblige. Yeah, I would like to think that I'm the type of person who would do that. I like to think that I'm a good person and help out other people. You are sure there used to be angel wings on your back? I'm gonna say yes, more like metaphorically, because as a kid, I'd like always like imagine like having wings and like stretching them out. You yearn for not a natural, but a man-made paradise. No, but I mean, I guess so. Okay. I would say then, maybe, have you guys seen, okay, this is such a tangent, but have you guys seen those eco skyscrapers where like it's skyscrapers with the, like, the forest in it? I want that, so I guess that would be man-made. I want us to all look like we live in a Studio Ghibli movie and be one with the environment. So I suppose then yeah, I would. How did I score? Oh gosh, I didn't think to score this. Oh goodness. Oh, well, I feel like me just answering the questions was fun and interesting, and they also don't have, unlike like the Lolita level up quiz, it doesn't have like the things. And I also wonder if I were to go back and watch the other video I made of this, like if any of my answers changed. I'm sure some of them have. Thank you guys so much for watching. When I'm uploading this, it's actually my birthday, so I'm filming it the day before, but I'm super excited for my birthday, which is tomorrow as of filming, and today is when you've seen it. I hope you guys all have a lovely day. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena.